Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about modal verbs. We'll guide you through some of the most common ones, explain how to use them in different situations, and then, we'll test your knowledge with a quick quiz. These modal verbs help us express abilities, possibilities, permissions, and obligations. Whether you're asking for something, giving advice, or talking about the future, modal verbs are incredibly useful. Can. We use it to talk about what someone is able to do. For example, I can swim. It also helps us ask for or give permission, like, can I go to the party? Could is often used to talk about something that might happen. For example, we could go to the park. It's also the past form of can, so you might say, when I was young, I could run fast. Should is great for giving advice or suggestions. You can use it to say what someone ought to do. For example, you should eat healthy food. Might. Use might when you want to express a possibility, especially if you're not completely sure. For example, it might rain today. Will is all about the future. It helps us talk about what someone is going to do, like, I will call you later. Must expresses a strong obligation or necessity. For example, you must wear a seatbelt. Had to. This is how we talk about obligations in the past. For example, I had to study for the test. Was able to. Use this to talk about something someone was able to do on a specific occasion in the past. For instance, I was able to finish the project on time.
Hi Sarah, how was your weekend?
It was great. I could visit my grandparents. What about you?
I had to work on Saturday. But on Sunday, I was able to relax.
That sounds nice. Do you think we should go to the park next weekend?
Sure, we could have a picnic, and maybe we can bring some friends along.
That sounds fun. I might bring some snacks.
I will make sandwiches. Do you think we should invite Tom and Jane?
Yes, we could ask them if they want to join us. They might enjoy it.
Perfect. I must remind myself to bring a blanket. We could sit under the big tree.
And I will bring some games to play. We can have so much fun.
Great. It might rain, so we should also take umbrellas just in case.
Good idea. We must be prepared for anything.
By the way, do you think we could also plan some outdoor activities? Maybe we can play frisbee or soccer.
That's a great idea. We might need to buy a new frisbee. The old one might not be in good condition.
True. I will check if we can get one from the store before Saturday.
Also, we should decide on a time. We could meet at 10 a.m. to have enough time for everything.
That works for me. We must make sure everyone can come.
I will send out a message tonight. They might need to adjust their plans.
Sounds good. We could also ask them if they can bring anything.
Yes, that way we can have a variety of food and drinks.
Great. I should start planning what else we might need.
Same here. We must be well prepared for the perfect picnic.
Let's move on to our speaking practice. Repeat out loud when you see it highlight in yellow. As you practice, focus on getting the pronunciation just right and matching the intonation. Take your time, and don't worry if you need to repeat it a few times. Practice makes perfect.
Hi Sarah, how was your weekend?
It was great. I could visit my grandparents. What about you?
I had to work on Saturday. But on Sunday, I was able to relax.
That sounds nice. Do you think we should go to the park next weekend?
Sure. We could have a picnic, and maybe we can bring some friends along.
That sounds fun. I might bring some snacks.
I will make sandwiches. Do you think we should invite Tom and Jane?
Yes, we could ask them if they want to join us. They might enjoy it.
Perfect. I must remind myself to bring a blanket. We could sit under the big tree.
And I will bring some games to play. We can have so much fun.
Great. It might rain, so we should also take umbrellas just in case.
Good idea. We must be prepared for anything.
By the way, do you think we could also plan some outdoor activities? Maybe we can play frisbee or soccer.
That's a great idea. We might need to buy a new frisbee. The old one might not be in good condition.
True. I will check if we can get one from the store before Saturday.
Also, we should decide on a time. We could meet at 10 a.m. to have enough time for everything.
That works for me. We must make sure everyone can come.
I will send out a message tonight. They might need to adjust their plans.
Sounds good. We could also ask them if they can bring anything.
Yes, that way we can have a variety of food and drinks.
Great. I should start planning what else we might need.
Same here. We must be well prepared for the perfect picnic.
Now, let's play the conversation again so you can listen and practice with a better understanding. This time, try to speak with more confidence as you repeat each part.
Hi Sarah, how was your weekend?
It was great. I could visit my grandparents. What about you?
I had to work on Saturday. But on Sunday, I was able to relax.
That sounds nice. Do you think we should go to the park next weekend?
Sure. We could have a picnic, and maybe we can bring some friends along.
That sounds fun. I might bring some snacks.
I will make sandwiches. Do you think we should invite Tom and Jane?
Yes, we could ask them if they want to join us. They might enjoy it.
Perfect. I must remind myself to bring a blanket. We could sit under the big tree.
And I will bring some games to play. We can have so much fun.
Great. It might rain, so we should also take umbrellas just in case.
Good idea. We must be prepared for anything.
By the way, do you think we could also plan some outdoor activities? Maybe we can play frisbee or soccer.
That's a great idea. We might need to buy a new frisbee. The old one might not be in good condition.
True. I will check if we can get one from the store before Saturday.
Also, we should decide on a time. We could meet at 10 a.m. to have enough time for everything.
That works for me. We must make sure everyone can come.
I will send out a message tonight. They might need to adjust their plans.
Sounds good. We could also ask them if they can bring anything.
Yes, that way we can have a variety of food and drinks.
Great. I should start planning what else we might need.
Same here. We must be well prepared for the perfect picnic.
All right, it's quiz time. I'm going to ask you a few questions where you'll need to choose the correct modal verb to complete the sentence. As you go through the quiz, try to think about why each modal verb is the best choice. Ready? Let's jump in. Here's your first question. He swam when he was 5. Take a moment to think about it. That's right. The correct answer is B. Could is used to talk about something someone was able to do in the past. On to the next one. You finish your homework before you play. Got it? Great. The correct answer is B. Must shows a strong obligation, so you must finish your homework before playing. Question 3. I help you with your project tomorrow. Ready? The answer is C. Will is used to talk about future actions, so you're promising to help with the project tomorrow. Now for question 4. They go to the concert if they have time. Which one do you think is correct? Got your answer? The correct one is A. Might is used to show a possibility, so they might go to the concert if they have time. And here's the last question. You eat healthy food every day. And the right answer is A. Should is used to give advice, so you should eat healthy food every day. Great job everyone. How did you do? Were you able to choose the correct modal verbs? If you got them all right, fantastic. If not, no worries. This is all about learning and improving. Thank you so much for participating today. I hope you found the quiz helpful and that you learned something new. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know how you did on the quiz. And, as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning content. I'll see you in the next video.